Let's now turn to the second exception to the character propensity ban contained in Rule 404A, namely Rule 404A2, which allows a criminal defendant in certain situations to introduce character evidence of a victim. Like Rule 404A1, Rule 404A2 has three chief components. First, an accused in a criminal case may introduce evidence about a pertinent character trait of an alleged victim, subject to the restrictions of Rule 412, the Rape Shield Law, which we will discuss in a few modules. Second, if a criminal defendant manages to introduce this evidence, the prosecution in turn may rebut, may offer evidence that the victim does not possess that character trait. And third, in very limited situations, the prosecution itself may initiate the introduction of character evidence of the alleged victim. Specifically, in homicide cases, Rule 404A2 provides that the prosecution may offer evidence of a victim's peaceable character if the defendant has argued that the victim was the first aggressor. That allegation could come in the form of character evidence or non-character evidence. Again, like Rule 404A1, Rule 404A2 is grounded in mercy considerations. A criminal defendant's liberty, perhaps his life is on the line, and therefore he deserves some leeway in introducing character evidence. Rule 404A2 also applies only in criminal cases, and in general, the defendant must initiate character evidence, with the exception just noted for homicide cases where the defendant alleges that the victim was the first aggressor.